Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, Uconnect hands-free group. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Your new ride is just a phone call away.